All right, let's talk about how you can remove grid lines from specific cells within Excel. So there are essentially two types of grid lines that you're going to come across in Excel. Now, this is just a blank worksheet or workbook, and you can see that we have the default grid lines here that are kind of light gray. You can also create grid lines by selecting an area. Under the home ribbon and under font, you can find this little icon, hit the drop down, and then you could hit all borders. And that's going to add grid lines to all the cells that you had selected. Now, if you go to the page layout ribbon up at the top here, you'll notice under sheet options, grid lines, that this view is checked. If I unselect this, it's going to hide all of the default grid lines, but it will keep any grid lines that we had created ourselves. However, we're looking to remove grid lines to a specific amount of cells, not the entire worksheet, and obviously that doesn't unselect any of the grid lines we had created. So we'll go ahead and bring those back. Now what you can do is select an area, go to the home ribbon, under font, find this little bucket, hit the drop down and select this white color here. Now when I unselect from those selected cells, we'll notice that all of those grid lines are gone, and I'll put a border on the outside so that you can kind of see how evident that is to remove those grid lines. Now we can do the same thing with grid lines that we have created, so we'll select a small range here. Now what we need to do is hit this drop down, hit no border, and then we'll hit this white paint bucket, and I'll put a border on the outside to show, and we can see that those grid lines have been removed within the cells that we had selected. But there you have it. That's how you can remove grid lines from specific cells within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you, and have such a great rest of your day.